Today I would like to discuss about a very important topic, basic structure doctrine. What is this basic structure doctrine? Unlike countries like US, India follows checks and balance system. To tackle the actions of executive, judiciary had made this innovation called basic structure doctrine. This basic structure doctrine preserves the spirit of the constitution. It protects the nature of Indian democracy and rights of the people. This has been brought into limelight by Keswananda Bharati case of 1973. Some of the basic structures are supremacy of the constitution, federalism, secularism, rule of law, etc. And let's discuss about the evolution of basic structure doctrine. First, in 1951, in the case of Shankari Prasad versus Union of India, Supreme Court said the Parliament's power of amending the constitution under Article 368, it also includes the power to amend the fundamental rights which are guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution. And the same judgment has been re-verdicted in the case of Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan in 1965. But in the case of Golaknath versus State of Punjab, the judiciary gave this basic structure doctrine a transcendental position, which means it reversed its earlier sentences. This transcendental position means it gave the superior position to the basic structure doctrine. FRs are not amendable by the Parliament as stated under Article 13, which says to amend the fundamental rights, a new Constituent Assembly would be required. Under Article 368, the judiciary says the procedure to amend the Constitution has been given, but it does not confine the Parliament the power to amend the Constitution. Here comes into the picture the concept of implied limitations. In the case of Keswananda Bharati of 1973, the Supreme Court has defined this basic structure doctrine. SC held that no part of the Constitution, including fundamental rights, was beyond the amending power of the Parliament. But then, this basic structure doctrine couldn't be abrogated by any constitutional amendment. The judgment implied Parliament can amend the Constitution, but not rewrite the Constitution. The power to amend is not the power to destroy. Judiciary can strike down any amendment that is in conflict with basic structure of the Constitution. In Indira Gandhi versus Rajnarayan case of 1975, Supreme Court applied the theory of basic structure doctrine and struck down the clause 4 of Article 329 of the Constitution, which has been added by the 39th Constitutional Amendment of 1975. In Minerva Mills case of 1980, the Supreme Court has struck down two changes made by the 42nd Constitutional Act of 1976. Constitution is supreme, not the Parliament, was the statement given by the Supreme Court. The court added few features to the list of basic structure doctrine, that is, judicial review. In Vaman Rao case of 1981, the doctrine of prospective overruling has came into the picture. Laws under 9th schedule, which were added before Keswananda Bharati case, cannot be called into question for violating fundamental rights. But the laws which were done after the Keswananda Bharati case can be raised for questioning in Supreme Court. In Indrasani case or Mandal case, the rule of law was added as a basic structure. In S.R. Bommai versus Union of India case, the aspects like federalism, secularism, and democracy were added into this basic structure doctrine. So this is the session for today. Thank you.